The Impy EasyFit deck provides the 1 in 40 gradient that is required in the wet room area for efficient drainage. This video guide shows a typical installation on a wooden floor. Any installation, of course, should be carried out with full reference to the supplied instructions. Designed, engineered and made in Britain, the EasyFit deck is the strongest and most popular wet room floor former installed and specified throughout the UK and Europe by professional wet room installers, national house builders, architects and care home providers. It can be easily installed on either wooden or concrete floors on ground level or above. At 22mm thick, the same as most commonly found floorboards, the EasyFit acts as a direct floorboard replacement with 4 preformed gradients to accurately channel water to the drain. The hatched underside has been expertly engineered to evenly distribute loads across the entire surface area, whilst also making it significantly lighter and easier to carry than any other. The EasyFit can comfortably bear loads well in excess of 300 kilograms without the need for underboarding, saving both time and money. To start the preparation, begin installing the deck by checking that the wet room floor is level. If not, then this must be resolved first. Please contact our technical department for further advice if required. Mark out the outline of the deck and cut the floorboards using a suitable saw. Then remove the boards. You'll likely find all sorts of underfloor obstructions ranging from double joists, gas pipes, water pipes and potentially many more unexpected obstacles that you're not qualified or inclined to move. The EasyFit, with its large rotating drain plate, has been specifically designed to eliminate these all too common installation headaches. Early wet room floor formers were considerably heavier to carry on site and featured just an offset drain which provided only 2 possible areas to locate drainage. The rotating drain plate provides a wide range of locations to position the drain and avoid all obstructions. This unique element of the Impy EasyFit range can easily save up to half a day's installation time or more. And better still, if you need to trim the deck to suit boxed-in pipework areas or irregular wet room corners, then this can be easily achieved by simply cutting the hatched area with a standard handsaw. It's important to note that only the hatched areas are trimmable and the smooth underside should not be trimmed. For further advice on trimming, please contact our technical team. Once you've found the best location for your drainage setting, you'll need to secure down the exposed ends of the cut floorboards and then fit noggins to the perimeter of the space, whilst taking care to check that the deck remains level. When complete, you're ready to begin linking up and testing the drain. Unlike 1-part drains, all EasyFit decks are supplied with a 2-part drain, which allows for full water seal testing before the top drain section and floor former have been finally secured. Apply solvent well to the drain outlet and waste pipe. Once this is cured, pour a quantity of water down into the sump so that the water exits into the waste pipe. In this instance, we're using a horizontal drain, however vertical versions are available. Once a watertight connection is confirmed, you can begin to secure the deck into the floor by inserting the wood screws provided into the pre-drilled pilot holes. Continue the same process with the large rotating drain plate, taking care that all screw heads are correctly countersunk and again checking that the deck remains level throughout the process. The final stage is to connect the sump seal and the bowl. Ensure the seal is positioned on the rim of the sump and fully pushed into place. Drill pilot holes into the rotating base plate using a 3mm drill bit and secure the bowl using the remaining screws. Align the bowl and sump, then fit the 25mm screw through the central bowl crossbar. Tighten the screw by hand until the crossbar meets with the boss in the centre of the sump. It is essential that this is tightened by hand only and not with a power tool. Once complete, use the supplied cover to stop any unwanted debris from falling into the drain. For any further advice on installing the deck or for details of our National Impy Wet Room Training course, please call our technical helpline or visit impyshowers.com.